Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Learning. In this video, we are going to see class 6 social science topic Unity in Diversity. Dear viewers, have you heard about Jawaharlal Nehru? Who is he? Yes, first Prime Minister of India. He used this famous phrase unity in diversity in his book Discovery of India. This phrase is used even today as an expression of harmony and unity amongst different regions and cultures. Let's see the meaning of unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means oneness in the varieties. India is the best country providing this concept for many years. India is a country where it is very clear to see unity in diversity. You know that different parts of our country have different customs, languages, dress, and food habits. The main religions in India are Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Zoroastrianism. The the Indian Constitution recognizes the right for everyone to practice any religion and develop their own language and culture. We all are one despite the differences. Now, let's go to the topic in detail. Dear viewers, have you heard about culture? What is culture? Yes, you are right. A culture is a way of life of a group of people. It includes ideas, beliefs, customs, art, religions, music, and dance, the food habits of the people, the festivals they celebrate, their art and handicrafts are all part of their culture. Now, let's see some of these elements of culture. First, First we can see festivals. Some festivals are religious and some are linked to the seasons. National festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated throughout the country. Festivals such as Diwali, Dasra, Holi, Eid, and Christmas are also celebrated throughout the country. Other festivals such as Baishagi, Basant Panchami, Pongal, Onam, Gurupurv, and Bihu are celebrated in some parts. We also celebrate the birthday of gods and great men as festivals. For example, Lord Krishna's birthday is celebrated as Janmashtami. The birthday of Gautam Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Lord Mahavir's birthday is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti and Guru Nanak's birthday as Guru Purv. Next we can see dance. India has two major kinds of dances, classical and folk. The classical dance such as Bharatanatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu, Kathakali in Kerala, Kathak in North India, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Manipuri in Manipur, and Odissi in Odisha. Most of these dances tell stories from our two epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Next, we can see folk art. Ancient Indian knowledge has been passed on by word of mouth. Stories with moral lessons were told through song, dance, and drama. This is called the art of folk theatre. Folk dances are mostly based on seasons. For example, Bhangra from Punjab, Garba from Gujarat, Chow from Jharkhand and Odisha, Ghumar from Rajasthan, Lavani from Maharashtra, and Bihu from Assam are popular folk dances. Next, we can see music. Indian music, like the dance forms, also goes back to the Vedas. There are two main schools of classical music. The North Indian school is called Hindustani and the South Indian school is called Carnatic. In Indian music, we have the Gharana tradition. Students learn music from a guru by living in his house. Devotional music such as couplets by Kabir and bhajans by Surdas Tulsidas, and Mirabai are sung all over the country. Indian folk music consists of traditional songs sung during festivals and weddings. Next, we can see art and sculpture. The earliest form of art based on the teachings of Buddha are the cave paintings at Ajanta and Ellora in Maharashtra. Miniature art is seen in Pahari, Rajput, and Mughal paintings. Earlier, craftsmen built beautiful monuments and places of worship. The stupas of Sanchi were built by Emperor Ashoka and the Taj Mahal by Shah Jahan. The latter is now recognized as one of the wonders of the world. Many famous monuments and buildings are a part of our heritage. Next, we can see food. The food grains, vegetables, and fruits grown in our country vary from place to place depending upon the landform, climate, and season. Spices such as chilies, turmeric, pepper, cardamom, and cloves are grown. Sweets such as rasagullas, shrikand, payasam, and laddus are popular in India. Next, we can see cloth. Land and climate also determine the dress worn by the people of an area. Some parts are covered with thick forest and some areas are near the sea. In some parts, summers are very hot and winters are very cold, while in other parts, the climate is almost the same throughout the year. The popular dresses in our country are salwar kameez with a dupatta in Punjab, ghagra kurta with an odhni in Haryana, ghagra kachli in Rajasthan, lehenga choli in Gujarat, and mundu blouse in Kerala. Men generally wear trousers and shirts. Other dresses for men are pajama kurta, dhoti kurta, lungi kurta, or lungi shirt. In Tamil Nadu, men's lungis are called veshti, and in Kerala, they are called mundu. Men in West Bengal and Assam mostly wear dhoti kurtas. Even the style of tying the turban differs from state to state. In the hilly regions, due to the cold, the Kashmiris wear a long woolen kurta called a firan. Next, we can see unity. The history of the freedom movement proves that although we had and still have diverse cultures and backgrounds, people from different regions came together to fight against the foreign rulers. The Indian flag, the national anthem, and the patriotic songs are all symbols of our unity. Next, we can see globalization. Progress in communication, transport, and technology during the 20th century has enabled us to overcome geographical boundaries and has revolutionized our way of living. The world is linked as never before. Economies, societies, and cultures have been connected throughout a global network, not only in India but throughout the world. Globalization has resulted in spreading information and ideas. Economically speaking, it has increased money flow, investment, and international trade. This has brought all the countries into a single giant world market. Dear viewers, I hope you have understood the concept unity in diversity. We'll meet you back in next video. Until then, bye.